Good morning, farm friends. Today, Tabby the Farmer has an important job, checking on the baby chicks. Inside, dozens of fluffy chicks are safe and warm under their heat lamp. Let's check on them. Oh no, little one. It looks like you hurt your foot. But don't worry, Tabby will take care of you. Eat up, little friends. And a sip of water for our tiny patient. Look at that. Our little fighter is trying to hop. You're getting stronger already, little one. Rest up, little one. Tomorrow we'll check on you again. Another great morning at One Nature's Farm. Don't forget to like and follow for more farm adventures.